Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video the IRS.GOV online account process. When it comes to trying to get access to certain functions and features to IRS.GOV, you're going to need an online account. So if you want to view your account records as far as tax return information, you're going to need an online account, or you can do the by mail transcript option, which takes a little longer. But if you want instant access to your tax records for whatever different years, then the quickest way to get that access will be online account. And they use a third-party vendor called ID.me to make it happen. They're strictly using them to make the process happen. For a while, they was doing the process, and at the same time, let you know you can go to ID.me as well. But now they strictly turned the process over to ID.me to make it happen. So if you need an online account, and with me, I have coaching clients who need to who want to start their own tax business, and the application that we need to fill out to be considered a tax service to buy professional software and work with third-party banks, which is called an e-file provider's application, and two fingerprint cards we need to have done uh, along with our business credentials put on there. We can't even get to that if we don't have an online account. So that's the issue that's glaring for people who want to start their own tax business. Another situation is for people who might need transcripts for whatever reason. The slow way is to go to this here step, that's where it says get transcript. Click on that, and you got two options. You got the online option, you got the mail option. So if you don't have an online account, you have no choice but to do the mail option. And then you click on this, you click on this, and then they're gonna ask you for this information. It's got to line up. So I'm gonna try this again. 318601242. And then the address. Continue. All it's got to line up. So the address that you put in here got to be the same address on your file with the Internal Revenue Service. Because if not, you won't be able to use this function because this going to go to the address on record. So if you're trying to get transcripts that's to another address totally altogether different, but you know that address, then you'll have to put it in this system where to send these transcripts to that address. But hopefully, as long as you got access to that address, that won't be a problem. Because if you try to put in a new address to where you're staying, but the IRS don't have that on file, then you can't get the transcript sent to you unless again you got access to the previous address that's already in file. So if they got an address that's already on file, that might be someone that's related to you, like your mom or father or auntie, or somebody that's close to you that you use that address for mailing purposes, then that's fine because they'll send it there. You go get it and do what you need to do with it. But if you don't have that type of access to an address that you can use the old address to have them send it there to go get them, then you'll have to go through the online version by going to ID.me, try and get an online account and get your transcript instantly by having an online account. And so it says here, get transcripts by mail. It says the information you have entered does not match our records. Please. So for some reason, my information ain't matching. So this is what they're telling me to do. I had to do the paper version, which is this form here. You fill this form out, requesting the transcript years you need. And that information will go here on this form in this section. And so what you would do is you're going to put the current address that you live in on here, and at the same time, to make sure that stays that way, you want to do a form which is called a change of address, which is 8822. And so you will come here, you go 8822, you click on this change address form, and so you'll print this out, fill it out, and you'll mail it in. And these are the addresses. These are the states based on what state you live in is what address you're gonna use. So if I'm in Illinois, I want to find the one for Illinois, and I want to send it to that address. And so when it comes to that, you will have to, like I say, scan through each section to find your state. And so from here, so if I'm looking for Illinois, which is got to be one of these two, it's only it's Illinois right here. So I'll use this address to mail this form to so they can process it to update my address. Now, this is the official way to change your address by using this form. Any other method other than this form might not hold water down the road. So you want to make sure you use the official way of changing your address by using the change of address form. And so I'm going to go back to the website. And like I say, when it comes to signing your account, come here to ID me. So if you already got an account and it's done successfully, you'll know because you'll talk to a person from ID me, trusted advisor, on a video conference that'll let you know that you're now officially uh, verified with an online account through ID me. And login information that you use to create an account with is the same information you use to keep on logging into your account. So what I'll do here, if I click on this, sign in, see my information is already saved here. All I got to do is click this. But now you got to sign in. But the only way to get in, they got to send you a code every time. So you're going to get a text code or you can get a phone call. I always do text. And so they send the text. They're going to send me a text to my phone. And once I get it, I type it in the box. Then I hit continue. Well, once I do that, then I'm inside my account. And so that's how that works. So if you need an online account, they're using ID me only as the way to make that happen. So I'll see you in my next video.